Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Miele M1 Parquet XL Bag Canister Vacuum Cleaner, which stands out for its high suction power and specialized design for hard floors and low-pile carpet, making it perfect for homeowners who prioritize a thorough and gentle cleaning experience. This vacuum is particularly suited for those who have mostly hard flooring and want a device that can efficiently handle daily cleaning without damaging their floors. Let me break down the specs. The Miele M1 Parquet XL features a powerful 1,200-watt motor with a suction power of 180 air watts, and it comes with a variety of attachments including a parquet floor nozzle, a crevice tool, and an upholstery tool. The vacuum has a large 1.5-gallon dust bag capacity, and it weighs approximately 22 pounds. The cord length is 21 feet, providing ample range for cleaning large areas without needing to switch outlets. It has a HEPA air clean filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring a high level of air quality. The vacuum's noise level is 72 decibels, which is relatively quiet compared to other canister vacuums. The dimensions of the vacuum are 18.9 inches by 12.2 inches by 9.8 inches, making it compact enough to store in most closets. It also features a variable suction control, allowing users to adjust the power to suit different surfaces. The vacuum is designed with a robust and durable build, featuring high-quality materials and construction. Additionally, it has a long-lasting motor and a low-maintenance design, with easy-to-replace dust bags and filters. In real-world use, the Miele M1 Parquet XL performs exceptionally well on hard floors, picking up dirt and debris with ease and leaving surfaces looking polished. The parquet floor nozzle glides smoothly over floors, and the adjustable suction control allows for tailored cleaning of different surfaces. The vacuum is also surprisingly quiet, making it suitable for daily cleaning without disturbing others. The build quality feels solid and durable, with a sturdy handle and robust construction that inspires confidence in its longevity. The HEPA filter does an excellent job of capturing allergens and dust, significantly improving air quality. Overall, the vacuum's performance is impressive, and it handles everyday cleaning tasks with ease. Real-world reviews praise the Miele M1 Parquet XL for its exceptional suction power, with many users noting that it picks up dirt and debris effortlessly, even on hard-to-clean surfaces. Users also love the quiet operation and the variety of included attachments, which make it versatile and convenient to use. Additionally, many praise the vacuum's ability to handle pet hair and allergens with ease.